Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add a background image on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So just go to the site you want to edit and then hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So just wait for your dashboard to load. And then once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. So just go to the bottom and then click on edit site. This will redirect you to this page right here. So just wait for it to load. This is basically going to be the editor. So once you're here in the editor, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. So go to the first option, which is add element. Once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to add a text. You can add an image, button, strip, decorative, box, and so on. So right now, just go to text or to image, sorry, and then go to upload and import. Click on upload images. And then you can either upload from your computer, you can upload this from a URL and so on. So I'm going to upload an image from my computer. Just choose the image you want to upload. And then once you find it, go ahead and double click on it. And then it will be uploading right here. Once uploaded, select it and click on add to page and it will be added to your page. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.